You know, most people think spelling is about memorizing letters. But what if I told you spelling actually starts with hearing? When a child can hear the sound in a word, they can start to write the word, even if they can't spell it correctly yet. Let's take a simple word sat. What do we hear? S, at. That's the magic of spelling sound by sound. Here's how you teach it. First, slowly say the word sat. Next, ask your child, what sound do you hear first? They might say s. Now ask, what's next? Bit by bit, they are building words from sound, not memory. Now, here's something I always say to educators and parents. Don't just drill spelling lists, build spelling moments. When you're walking, during breakfast, or in the bath. And when your child starts writing, don't rush to correct every misspelling. Let them grow into confident spellers, one sound at a time. Thanks for learning with me today. Follow the Learning Nest for more everyday strategies to help children thrive in reading, spelling, and learning through play. See ya!